Hey my lovelies, this is MUTULU. I trust that you are well, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a wonderful recipe to address the full body spectrum, whether it be your skin, your hair, your eyes, your nails, your teeth, your bones, you name it, honey, okay? And this is suited for the whole family. So I trust that this recipe will serve you and your family very well. So here I'm working with 3 apples. We're removing the skin due to the fact that it has wax on it, for those that are wondering. We're also going to be working with 3 fig bananas, also known as baby bananas, also known as apple bananas due to its taste. And we're going to be working with 3 tablespoons of my most beloved seed, well, the second most beloved seed of mine, which is hemp seeds, and they'll be whole. The next ingredient will be 9 dates, and I think roughly about 3 or 4 key limes I used. I can't remember. We'll see though as the video plays out. And 50 grams of fresh parsley. So that was apples, bananas, parsley, hemp, and key limes, and some water. And that's it. Now, in terms of the water, you can replace it with coconut water. It's up to you. It's not a big deal. Now, this recipe is very beneficial to those that are pregnant, if you are breastfeeding or not breastfeeding, man, woman, or child, okay? Like I said in the beginning, it serves the whole family very, very well. So all you need to do is add all of the ingredients to a high-powered blender, high-quality blender as well, please. Blend it for roughly about 45 seconds, okay? And you don't need to strain it, and that will be all. Now here I'm showing you the skins of the fig banana because this is some serious skincare. Okay, when it comes to rubbing banana skins on your face, my lovelies, just put me in the wheel. Just sign MUTULU. Message me privately and I can give you my government name. Put me in the wheel because I'm telling you, your life will change when you start working with the banana skins on your own skin. And what you could do is you could rub it on, leave it on for about half an hour, and then you just place the skin, underneath the eye and leave that on for half an hour as well. Rinse it off with cool water. Voila. I'm telling you, fruits are the best forms of facials to have. They are magnificent. So here it is. Look at that green, luscious sponge. I trust that this will serve you well. Enjoy.